1. 1984 Chevrolet 3/4 ton 4x4, $9,700, Saugle, Idaho. This rugged 1984 Chevrolet 3/4 ton 4x4 pickup is equipped with a freshly rebuilt 350 cubic inch V8 engine by S&J Engines and has fewer than 2,000 miles on the rebuild. It features an automatic transmission, new brakes, and new carpet. The truck drives well with no known mechanical issues. Minor cosmetic flaws are present, but overall, this is a solid, ready-to-drive four-wheel drive classic with a clean title. 2. 1984 Chevrolet Custom Deluxe 23/4 ton, $6,750, Austin, Texas. A farm veteran, this 1984 Chevrolet square body truck features an industrial-grade 427 tall deck engine, originally a diesel, now converted to gasoline. The odometer reads 52,869 miles. The truck has a solid body, fifth-wheel setup, aftermarket air conditioning, and strong mechanical performance. Some project work is still needed, making this a great base for restoration. 3. 1985 Ford F250, $6,000, Port Orchard, Washington. Nicknamed Big Black, this 1985 Ford F250 was initially a restoration project and later used as a farm truck. It features a 351 Windsor V8 engine with a Phi-Tech fuel injection system and dual fuel tanks. The odometer has rolled over and is currently non-functional. The truck includes new brakes and runs reliably, though it needs some cosmetic and mechanical attention to reach its full potential. $1988 Ford F-150 4x4 Shortbed, $7,500, Denver, Colorado. A well-maintained example, this 1988 Ford F-150 4x4 Shortbed Lariat Edition features a rebuilt drivetrain, including a 4-speed manual transmission and transfer case with receipts from A1 Transmission. Equipped with power windows, dual gas tanks, a tow package, and a 2.5-inch rough country lift with 33-inch tires, this truck offers a robust and stylish classic pickup experience. Doc? Five, 1985 Chevrolet C20 Silverado, $10,000, Pahrump, Nevada. This rust-free, rear-wheel drive 1985 Chevrolet C20 Silverado long bed is powered by a newly installed 350 cubic inch V8 engine with approximately 20,000 miles. It comes with power windows, tilt steering, original working radio, dual fuel tanks, and a clean Nevada title. Cosmetic imperfections are minimal, though the rear bumper is damaged, ideal for show or daily use. Six, 1989 Nissan Pickup 4x4, $8,300, Los Angeles, California. This 1989 Nissan 4x4 pickup is powered by a V6 engine and paired with a manual transmission. It has 188,000 original miles and comes from its second owner. The vehicle includes a clean title and is mechanically sound, offering a dependable option for those seeking a vintage Japanese four-wheel drive truck. 7. 1987 GMC 1500 Shortbed, $7,000, Colorado Springs, Colorado. A shortbed square body with character. This 1987 GMC Sierra Classic R1500 comes with a stock fuel-injected 305 V8 and a 700 R4 overdrive automatic transmission. It features updated steering components, new valve cover gaskets, a fresh fuel pump, and all-terrain tires. The body is rust-free and it drives well, though some cosmetic attention would elevate its appearance. (1988) Chevrolet CK 1500, $1,200, Tempe, Arizona. This project-grade 1988 Chevrolet CK 1500 is priced to sell. The vehicle includes a V8 engine and automatic transmission. The lower part of the engine needs a rebuild, and it does not currently pass emissions. Though not registered, it includes valuable parts like a new radiator, leather armrests, and an upgraded electric dash panel. A good candidate for restoration. (9) 1988 Chevrolet truck with 454 engine, $6,500, Clovis, California. An impressive offering, this 1988 Chevrolet truck features a powerful 454 cubic inch engine and a recently rebuilt turbo 400 transmission. With only 46,555 original miles and a worn winch, this truck is ready for serious towing or hauling. It has passed recent smog tests and comes with a clean title, making it a strong value in the classic truck market. (10) 1986 Mazda B2000, $2,200, Stanwood, Washington. A reliable daily driver, this 1986 Mazda B2000 features a 5-speed manual transmission and a 4-cylinder engine. Recent maintenance includes a new timing belt, oil pump, radiator, and more. It has a Kenwood audio system and key-secured cargo box. While the carburetor may need replacement, the vehicle runs strong and is ideal for economical classic truck enthusiasts. (11) 1995 Chevrolet S10, $525, Rancho Cordova, California. Offered as a non-running vehicle, this 1995 Chevrolet S10 extended cab with a manual transmission and 4-cylinder engine has 161,323 miles. The truck has been in storage for several years and comes without keys. Sold as is, it could be a restoration project or parts vehicle. Clean title included. (12) 1982 Ford F250 Plow truck, $1,900, Severance, Colorado. This rugged 1982 Ford F-150 has been a dependable plow and farm truck since new. It features a 300 cubic inch inline-six engine, 4-speed manual transmission, and 77,000 original miles. While the body shows rust, the frame is solid. The Plow motor needs replacement, but the truck starts reliably and is mechanically sound. Great for work or winter tasks. (1986) Nissan Pickup Hardbody, $5,800, Omaha, Nebraska. This 1986 Nissan Hardbody pickup features a 5-speed manual transmission and has 159,000 miles. Recent upgrades include a new gas tank, fuel pump, clutch, muffler, brakes, spark plugs, and shocks. Heat works well while the air conditioning needs a recharge. A clean and well-maintained classic Japanese truck.